Yeah, man, from the mere device, them for know this is Crazy J. How we say Jamaica salute to you know. You understand me? Mark Golding, and you still a win. Labor right couldn't win. What am I deal with? What am I going with? Hey, Jamaica! Yo, Jamaican people! Give thanks to Uno, I give thanks to Uno, yes. Give thanks to Uno, I give thanks to Uno, Jamaica. Give thanks to Uno, I give thanks to Uno, yes. Give thanks to Uno, I give thanks to Uno. Thank you. You know, say Mark incredible. Thank you. Him have them on the bridle. Thank you. And if them let them go lose a trouble. Thank you. You see him have to get the title. Thank you. Labor writer grumble. Thank you. That is not impossible. Thank you. Mark Golding get the title. Thank you. Him not stop till him reach a pinnacle. Well, this is crazy, big up all the comrades. And anytime we come out, so we're gonna again, come again. Marky G, you know you're fitter than the whole of them. And when it come to election, I'll be a prop. Them just give with the ballot, we vote out them. Tell it to them enemy, go tell it to them. Friendly labor, right them in a big problem. I tell you all of them, say we come again, we come again, because give thanks to Uno, we have to give thanks to Uno, Jamaica. Give thanks to Uno, we have to give thanks to Uno, yeah. Give thanks to Uno, we have to give thanks to Uno, Jamaica. Give thanks to Uno, we have to give thanks to labor right. Uno wrong fi come trouble, comrades, cause we never did trouble you. Alright then, Uno wrong fi come trouble, Mark G, him never did a trouble though. Alright, we have to give thanks to Uno, we have to give thanks to Uno, yes. Give thanks to Uno, we have to give thanks to Uno, Jamaica. Give thanks to Uno, we have to give thanks to Uno, yes. Give thanks to Uno, we have to give thanks to Uno. Thank you. You know say Marky G credible. Thank you. Him have them on the bridle. Thank you. And if you let them go lose a trouble, thank you. This year him have to win the title. Thank you. Him not stop till him reach a pinnacle. Thank you. Labor writer grumble. Thank you. Mark Golding with them for true. Hey Jamaican, salute to you. Everybody, we come out for true. Put the X beside the head. You know labor right, them dead. Some of them get buried for true. Duff got me arrested too. Laugh, we laugh off for them, man. Laugh off for them, man. You understand me? Them for know the time serious, time come. Yeah, man. Enough of them pack up and run. Is it? Yeah, man. Crazy J there. Salute.